Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to remove this ABS steering wheel. What you're going to need is a 22mm socket. You're going to need a T25 Torx bit, and they're going to be located in the back to take off the airbag. First thing you want to do is disconnect your battery first though. So let's go do that first. Alright, so to disconnect the battery, mine is a 13. I don't know what size your guys' is. Just put it in. Loosen it. Bam. Take the negative terminal, not the positive. Boom. Set it aside. Perfect. Let's go back in here. Alright. So, like I said, you're going to need a T25. They're going to be located right back here, right there. There's one on both sides, so let me get to it first. Dun, 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 dun. Right here. Perfect. I know, let's loosen it. Alright, once you took your T25 and took out the two bolts in the back, one right there, and one right there. Again, remember to disconnect your battery. You don't want this airbag blown up in your face. Boom. There's gonna be a wire back here. Just disconnect it. Shazam! Alright, perfect. So, you got this ground and you got the airbag wire. You can disconnect this ground. Shazam! Take your 22mm, put it in there, take your key out, make sure the wheel is straight, make sure your tires are straight, and then just torque it all the way out. Okay, perfect. You don't want to go all the way out yet, just because when you yank it off, you don't want it to hit your face. So now you have to have the key in for this one or it won't allow you to take it off. So go ahead, turn the key. Alright, after you put that bolt in and you start yanking on it, make sure you turn it on to accessories, and then you should be able to just yank it off. Bam. There should be these two wires back here. You can pop this little plastic piece off and unclip it, and these two will connect to each other. Just unclip it and pull it apart, turn it off, and then grab your other steering wheel and install it. Okay, so I have my steering wheel here. Make sure your wheel is straight. Install your steering wheel. There's a washer, so make sure you put the washer in first. Turn your key. Alright, go ahead and torque your bolt down. Last final touch, make sure your wheel is straight. Put the emblem back in. Well, bam. Perfect.